Hi there, in this video I'm making homemade mozzarella cheese. Easy, cheesy, caprese. Stick with me, I'm going to show you how to make it. Super easy, super fast, super delicious. It's just a few ingredients. It has milk, salt, citric acid, and some rennet. Rennet is an enzyme that's used to coagulate milk. And you want to coagulate it to make it into cheese, right? This is a vegetarian type of rennet. Actually, rennet, some of the cheese that you buy in the store uses rennet. They actually, it's kind of gross. It's stomach lining of a nursing cow, so I'm not using that. They have vegetarian rennet, that's all I'm saying. But anyway, wait till you see how easy this is. It's going to be literally a gallon of milk. This is the citric acid solution. This is 1.5 teaspoons of citric acid in a half a cup of water, just plain old water, tap water. We're going to turn this on medium, and it's going to cook until it gets to 90 degrees, and then we'll be back. We're making cheese. Okay, we are right at 90 degrees. Now I'm adding, this is a solution of the rennet. This was 1/4 of a rennet tablet with 1/4 of a cup of water. Again, just regular old tap water. Rennet going in. And this is where the magic really starts. We're going to continue heating this to 105 degrees. And then we'll be back. Check this out. Look at that. This is going to be mozzarella cheese. We're at 105 degrees. We're going to let this sit for 5 minutes. And we'll be back. Okay, our curdly mixture has been sitting for 5 minutes. Now I need to put it in a large microwave-safe bowl. So we're going to put it in the microwave. I want to strain all of this. That's the whey, is the liquid, right? And you can actually use this whey for something else. You don't have to throw it out. You can use it in soup. You can use it in smoothies or milkshakes. I'm trying to get as much of that whey out as I can, because all we want is the cheese. Anyway, that's why I'm draining this into this bowl, because I'm going to save the whey, and then I'm going to use it in soup. These cheese curds need to go into a microwave on high setting for 90 seconds. 1 minute and 1 minute. Okay, now it says to knead it for 10 times. I got 1.5 teaspoons to 2 teaspoons of salt here. The first time I made this, I made it with 1 teaspoon of salt, and it really wasn't very flavorful, so I wanted to go ahead and add a little more salt. As I said, if you want to flavor it your way, you don't even have to use, you can use salt. I would put salt in it regardless, but then you could also put like some hot chili flakes in here, or some, and make it like a pepper jack, but it would be pepper mozzarella. All right, it says to go back in the microwave for 30 more seconds. Then it says to reheat it again in the microwave until you can get the desired consistency. You want to be able to stretch it. This is hot. I'm going to be able to stretch it. Oh, look at that. Talk about a cheese pull, right? I don't think it needs to go back in the microwave. I think this is good like it is. And so what it says to do once you've got it in the texture you want, if you wanted to put it in for longer, you could. It says plunge it in the water. I have a water bath sitting here. These are bigger than I thought I was going to make. I'm not sure if it's going to work out how I have planned. I'm going to try one of these cheese balls. See if I put enough flavoring in there with all that salt. Much better. Yeah, I recommend the 2 teaspoons. Oh my gosh, this is so good. The way I like to shape my mozzarella cheese is so that I can get some nice slices. You know how when you buy it, usually in the store, it's round, and that's sort of inconvenient for me to make slices like that. So I think I'm going to make it more like in a log, which, as I tell you all the time, that's one of the greatest things about making your own stuff. You can do it how you want. I am making this into a log, so I'm going to cut it in little pieces. It'll go on crackers real nice. It'll go on a salad really nice. No disrespect to the regular cheese. I like that too. See, I'm making it into a log. So anyway, this is done. You could eat this like this. You saw me eat a piece of it. And I'm just going to put it in the water bath so that keeps it from cooking any longer. I have some cute little mozzarella balls here. Aren't those cute? They'll make a cute little caprese salad. But anyway, this needs to sit in here for 5 minutes, then this is ready to eat. If you wanted to serve this now, you could do this. Wouldn't that be fun to do that at a party? You have a dinner party and people come over and make cheese. Anyway, thank you for joining me today. I don't think I am going to try it with that the red chili flakes next time and make like a mozzarella, pepper mozzarella. Yeah, that's it. This is amazing. And it's way better than store-bought. All it cost me was a gallon of milk, the little rennet tablet, and the citric acid, and the salt. Try this at home. Homemade cheese is the best. I appreciate you joining me today. Thank you for watching. If you have any suggestions, put them in the comments section below. If you like this video, I'd appreciate a thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed yet, please consider doing that. I will see you next time. Thank you for watching. You take care now.